Have you ever done this? Yeah, me neither. So let's check it out.
It's been 10 years since Spigen released the Tough Armor Case, so we partnered up to showcase how far it's actually come. But honestly, not much has changed, because why change what's already working so well? It's got that classic, amazing soft touch exterior that you don't want to let go of, updated foam padding on the interior, great for all the butterfingers out there, with the same button layout since day one, a clean flat look to the case, but still large and clicky. There's spacious cutouts for everything else, including around back, with a thick enough shell to protect those peepholes from making out with your table. Surprisingly though, they did find a way to make it even slimmer now. It wasn't really an issue I've had before thanks to the soft touchy grippy exterior, but a slimmer case is always welcome as long as they didn't compromise on protection, which in my daily usage doesn't seem to be the case, pun intended. I think that's how you use it. So yeah, it still can withstand some daily abuse. The second major upgrade is the inclusion of Magsafe. With the added magnets, it's fully compatible with any Magsafe charger, as it ensures once it's connected, it stays connected until you need to go wee-wee. That includes other Magsafe accessories like the Apple Magsafe wallet too. It passes my scientific shake test with flying colors, making it the perfect companion for your daily essentials. Honestly, with a slimmer case combined with the wallet option, this is a pretty sleek looking combo that is still manageable one-handed. Don't worry, as long as you're not rocking skin tight jeans as well, the whole package will fit in your front pocket without slipping or sliding around. Of course, you can't call a case tough armor without it actually being, well, tough. Thankfully, that banana skin impact foam on the inside offers just that. Designed to absorb impact so your iPhone doesn't have to. Combine that with their classic air pocket corners that disperse any pounding throughout the edges of the case when you decide to do this. So in honor of the Milwaukee Bucks taking home the Stanley Cup, I figured what better way to send in my resume to join the old fellas in another victory run. Wha-bam! That's 7 points on the board, baby. But that moment of truth that we all dread, phew, no problemo. Looks like I've got a new job next season, keeping some benches warm. Now, while the insides do a lot of work in keeping your phone protected, that thick lip around the front screen will probably do most of the work in saving you 95% of the time on flat surfaces. However, it isn't magic though, and we don't live on a flat earth, so even a tiny pebble on the ground can poke directly at your screen. To solve that, toss on their easy fit screen protectors. I actually did a dedicated review on these, and you can check that linked above. But to sum it up, it's a glass screen protector that literally anyone and their pinky finger can install with their eyes closed. It's that easy, and really the main benefit of choosing it over others. Repeat after me, no more raging at bubbles. Yeah, that's worth it alone. The glass feels natural, it looks crispy clear, and offers more than enough protection when you decide to level up your drop test game. So first up, backwards free throw competition with myself. After soaring above 7 feet and landing face first several times, we're good to keep going. The dollar store didn't have any bowling pins, so I improvised. This is the bowling with your phone competition that you seriously just can't lose. But we're all probably too familiar with our phone bouncing across the floor like this way too often. Unfortunately, the case has beat us again, but just for good measure, yeah, let's try something new. Next up, we have the cornhole competition. Original, I know, but with my bag because I don't think anyone actually owns a cornhole board. Anyways, you get the point. Toss the phone into the bag from very far away. Bang, 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 and we score for, well, myself. The moral of the story though, the case does balance out your lack of aim. Now I saw this one on TikTok, so I tried it with my phone. The closest to the table edge wins challenge. I definitely need to work on these names. In the end, my iPhone basically got a free roller coaster ride, but I did prevail in beating myself. The iPhone, on the other hand, still ticking, so it's time for the big guns. Literally. This is the target practice challenge. Other than the fact I lost about 3 balls somewhere, I can confidently say you can count on me to hit the shot every 7th time. It is also quite satisfying seeing a knockout in slow-mo as well. Whoa, bam. Well, we can cross that off. It's definitely Nerf gun proof too, even at point blank. Lastly, because I already had the right props, this is the flip phone challenge, which I don't recommend you do without a proper case and screen protector combo, because for one, it's just not possible, and two, you will definitely rage because of number 1. So after a full day of iPhone Olympic trials, I'd say the Tough Armor Case and screen protector combo qualifies to compete in the big leagues. Removing the screen protector and checking out the actual screen, no cracks or visible damage, and still just as responsive. As for the Tough Armor Case, while it is showing some wear after getting smacked around all day, it's structurally still intact and ready for round 2. Plus, the iPhone inside is still looking fresh. No bruising on the back glass, metallic edge is scratch free, and the camera is ready for your next washroom selfie session. Sponsored or not, you can't beat the value in this case. Protection with Magsafe compatibility in a surprisingly slim body. What more can you ask for in a case?
Let me know in the comments how you've dropped your phone before. Otherwise, links are in the description down below. But that's it. I rest my case. Now that is a throwback.